Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? Vechain holder, what's going on? Today video is going to be very important for all of you because my brother, after a short dump, definitely my friends, every coin will very badly dumps down after a short jump. So therefore, my friend, after a short dump, they will also take a very huge jump. So I am 100% sure, my friends, too. In those days, my friends, Vechain will also pumps up. But minus two, you can see minus 26.47%. The price is decreased, so very badly falls down. But don't worry, my brothers, after a huge pump, absolutely every coin will jumps down. So therefore, I will 100% my friends also show to in upcoming time. They will also take a very huge jump now. So my friends, Vechain holder, if you are also starting investing more and more in those days, so I think you will also need my friends to help now. But don't worry, my friends, Vechain is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Fastest cryptocurrency. I am 100% sure, my friend. To upcoming time, Vechain price will be going double now, and they will give me a profit. They are recover all the loss, my friend. You can see here minus 26.47%. They are lost. I hope they are recovered this all lost, and they will give you us a profit. But please, holder, this is all just only need, my friends, to if you are hold. Kindly don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.